Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reply on Twitter. To begin, find the speech bubble icon below any tweet you wish to respond to. Clicking this icon will open a new compose box. Your reply will automatically address the original tweeter by including their username. You can then type your message, keeping in mind the character limit. This simple action is the first step to engaging in meaningful conversations on the platform. When crafting your reply, conciseness is key. Aim for messages under 280 characters to ensure they are easily digestible. Incorporating relevant hashtags can broaden your reply's reach and connect it to ongoing conversations. Don't hesitate to use GIF or images. They can add personality and make your response more engaging. Remember, a well-crafted reply invites further interaction. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. On another note, are you looking to make your meal prep easier? These fantastic leak-proof containers are a game changer for keeping your food fresh and organized. They're perfect for anyone on the go. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For effective engagement, always maintain a respectful and constructive tone in your replies. Avoid the temptation to spam multiple responses to a single tweet. Instead, focus on delivering quality interactions. Thoughtful engagement, perhaps by asking a follow-up question or offering a unique insight, encourages meaningful dialogue. Remember, your replies contribute to the overall community atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.